Clean hair shines. It feels soft and luxurious, giving us that boost of confidence we all crave. When our hair looks good, we feel good. It's a simple truth that resonates with everyone. We all want healthy-looking hair. It's a universal desire transcending age, gender, and culture. Healthy hair is often seen as a sign of vitality and well-being. Shampoo is our secret weapon. It's more than just a cleansing agent. It's a vital part of our hair care routine. The right shampoo can make a world of difference. It removes dirt, sweat, and oil. These impurities can weigh down our hair, making it look dull and lifeless. Shampoo helps to lift them away, leaving our hair refreshed and revitalized. This keeps our scalp healthy and our hair beautiful. A healthy scalp is the foundation for strong, vibrant hair. Without it, our hair can't reach its full potential. Washing your hair regularly is important. Shampoo cleanses away buildup. Over time, products and environmental pollutants can accumulate on our hair and scalp, leading to issues like dandruff and irritation. It also removes dead skin cells. This gentle exfoliation process helps to keep the scalp clear and promotes healthy hair growth. This helps your hair grow and stay strong. Strong hair is less prone to breakage and split ends, allowing it to grow longer and healthier, but not all shampoos are the same. The market is flooded with options, each promising different benefits. It's important to choose wisely. Different hair types need different ingredients. What works for curly hair might not be suitable for straight hair. Understanding your hair type is key. Understanding shampoo helps you choose the best one for you. Reading labels and knowing what ingredients to look for can make all the difference in your hair care routine. From special ingredients to the manufacturing process, every step is crucial in creating a product that meets our hair's needs. Let's dive into the world of shampoo, discover the science, the art, and the passion behind every bottle. Shampoo starts with a blend of ingredients. Each ingredient is carefully selected to perform a specific function, ensuring the final product is effective and safe for use. These ingredients each have special jobs. First, we have surfactants. Surfactants are the backbone of any shampoo formula. Surfactants create the lather we know and love. This lather is not just for show, it plays a crucial role in cleaning your hair. They surround dirt and oil, lifting it away from the hair. This ensures that your hair is left clean and fresh after every wash. Next, we add conditioning agents. These agents are essential for maintaining the health and manageability of your hair. These make hair smooth and easy to comb after washing, no more tangles. Preservatives are important too. They prevent the growth of harmful bacteria and extend the shelf life of the shampoo. They keep your shampoo fresh and safe to use. Finally, we add fragrance. The fragrance is what gives your shampoo its unique and pleasant scent. This gives your shampoo its pleasant scent. A good fragrance can make your hair washing experience more enjoyable and leave your hair smelling great. Some shampoos also have special ingredients for specific hair needs, like extra moisture or color protection. These specialized ingredients cater to different hair types and concerns, ensuring that everyone can find a shampoo that suits their unique needs. Making shampoo is like following a recipe. It all starts in a large factory. The ingredients are carefully measured and mixed together in huge tanks. The mixture is heated and stirred until it becomes smooth and consistent. Next, the shampoo is cooled down. Once it's cool, other ingredients are added, like fragrances and colors. Finally, the finished shampoo is poured into bottles. These bottles are labeled and packed into boxes. The boxes are then shipped to stores near you. Section 4, Quality First, ensuring your shampoo is safe and effective. Every bottle of shampoo goes through strict quality control. This ensures that the shampoo is safe and effective. Scientists test the shampoo at every stage of production. They check for the right pH balance and make sure the ingredients are mixed correctly. Safety is a top priority. Shampoos are tested to be non-irritating to the eyes and skin. Only after passing these tests is the shampoo ready for your shower. Section 5. Finding your perfect match, choosing the right shampoo. With so many shampoos on the shelves, finding the right one can be tricky. The sheer variety can be overwhelming, but understanding your hair's unique needs can make the process much easier. Knowing your hair type is key. Whether you have curly, straight, wavy, or coily hair, each type has specific requirements that the right shampoo can address. If you have dry hair, look for moisturizing ingredients like oils and shea butter. These ingredients help to hydrate and nourish your hair, preventing breakage and split ends. For oily hair, choose a clarifying shampoo that removes excess oil. These shampoos are formulated to deeply cleanse your scalp, leaving your hair feeling fresh and clean. Fine hair needs a volumizing shampoo. These shampoos add body and lift to your hair, making it appear fuller and more voluminous. And if your hair is color-treated, a color-safe shampoo will protect your vibrant color. These shampoos are gentle and help to maintain the longevity of your hair color. Remember, healthy hair starts with the right shampoo. By choosing a shampoo that caters to your hair's specific needs, you can ensure that your hair remains strong, shiny, and beautiful.